captured the moments, adjusted your settings, reframed your shots, and polished your footage. But here's the thing, your underwater adventures aren't finished until they are shared. Exporting and managing your files may seem like the final step, but it's just as important as shooting itself. Done right, it ensures that every vibrant coral, every playful fish, and even subtle details of a sunken wreck look just as stunning online as they did underwater. Once your clips are ready, the Insta360 mobile app makes exporting straightforward. The app offers preset export options for social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, and more. These presets automatically optimize resolution and bitrate, so your content looks crisp and clear without having to guess the right settings. If you want full control, you can manually adjust resolution from 720p up to 4K, bitrate, frame rate, and choose whether to remove grain or display the Insta360 watermark. For social media, 4K at 50 to 80 Mbps works perfectly, while higher bitrates are ideal for professional editing or archiving your dives. This ensures that every detail captured by the X4 and X5, like the vibrant texture of a coral reef or the intricate details, are preserved. For maximum quality, Insta360 Studio on desktop is invaluable. It allows export at higher resolutions and bitrates than the mobile app. It also offers additional codec options and precise adjustments to color, motion, and stabilization. Studio is especially powerful for projects where you want every stitch and frame to be perfect, especially if you're working on a cinematic dive reel. Imagine showing viewers the full depth and clarity of a reef or a preserved shipwreck. The X5's pure video mode and adaptive tone ensures those details come to life even in low light. File management is just as important as exporting. The X4 and X5 generate INSV files which must be opened and reframed through Insta360 apps or supported plugins. Each INSV file comes with an LRV or low-resolution video for quick mobile previews. Never delete these as they allow smooth playback on the go. Insta360 also provides solutions like Insta360 Plus Cloud Storage, which automatically backs up files and allows remote access, the card reader for fast direct transfers to your phone, and direct Wi-Fi transfer for quick sharing when you don't have the reader. These tools make it easy to manage and share your footage from any dive without losing clarity or detail. Mastering export and file management ensures that your underwater footage retains its color, detail, and cinematic quality whether you're filming a coral reef or a shipwreck. The cameras capture it in stunning 8K or 5.7K resolutions, and with proper export, every frame looks as immersive online as it did in real life. The dive may only last an hour, but the way you share it ensures that the memory lasts a lifetime. The Insta360 X4 and X5 lets you capture the full story of your dives in breathtaking detail. With the ability to shoot 360-degree in incredible resolution, every shot can be transformed into cinematic footage that truly immerses your audience. If you've been dreaming of capturing professional quality underwater content, these cameras are more than just a tool. Dive in, capture everything, and let the world experience the blue world in 360.